In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily change the pose of your Roblox profile. So let's get to it. The best way to pose in your Roblox profile picture is by using the Roblox mobile app, which is available on both Android and Apple devices, as well as many others. So log into your account once logged in. As you can see, my profile picture is normal, using the regular profile head of my Roblox character. But let's turn this into a pose. All you need to do is go to the bottom navigation bar in Roblox and tap on your current profile picture. This will take you to your current avatar. Now click on your profile picture again, and it will take you to the Edit Profile Picture section, where we'll have different poses to choose from. The first four are completely free, so I'll select this one here. Once selected, click Continue here. You can configure how your profile picture will look by adjusting both the zoom and character rotation. Once you have it to your liking, simply click Continue. They will show you a preview of how your profile picture will look, and all you have to do is click Save, and your profile picture will be changed. That's it, guys. I hope this solution worked for you. If it did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.